Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I am on my way to craft and chat. I'm so excited about this that I get to share this guys with you. Not that I get to share these guys with you. Oh my god, I think I just said that. I'm so excited that I get to share this with you guys, is what I meant to say. It is a rainy, icky day, but it definitely feels like fall. And that is what we're doing. We're doing another fall craft. So today's craft is supposed to be like a table setting, or like a, I don't even know what she was calling it, like a centerpiece. So for moi, who does not have a table any longer because my apartment is too small, I don't have a table. Our table is actually stored up in the attic because this place is just too small. Sorry guys, gotta switch hands here. What I'm actually thinking about doing is doing something a little different that could pass just like a centerpiece, but something that I can actually put on my floor in my living room. I have a big space like underneath that one window where my air conditioning is, and I have my dad's urn down there, and I have a vase and some candles and some candle holders, and I thought it'd be really pretty to maybe make a lantern like table centerpiece kind of thing, but that actually could sit on my floor, since at this moment I don't have a table. My husband and I have been talking recently that I think when our lease is up here next year in March, that I think we're going to look for another place, because we can't host any of our family dinners or anything here any longer. And my mom is in a much, much smaller place, even smaller than mine, and my sister is as well. So somebody needs to be able to host our holiday activities and things like that, and the kids are still home with us, and I don't know, I think we just need a little bit more space. So we are actually going to be looking for a new place when our lease is up. I really think that's going to happen. But anyways, it has nothing to do with craft and chat. So anyways, that was just a long-winded intro. On and off we go to craft and chat. Super excited to share this with you guys, as I already said and totally messed up, but I just like made it up. So let's go. Just to show you, all of my major supplies came from the Dollar Tree. And then I got two cute little add-ons from Rite Aid that was 50% off their fall and Halloween things, which you will get to see when I get there. Yay! So I'm actually going to be doing two projects at Craft and Chat. I'm making a fall centerpiece and a Halloween themed centerpiece. So my two pieces that I got from Rite Aid is that adorable green wagon and this black lantern. And then everything else I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I have to say guys, I feel like everybody else used floral and some cute little things from the Dollar Tree as well to do their projects. They just kind of upcycled some baskets and things from secondhand stores and things that they had at home. So for my first project, all I did was take that foam block from the DT, stick it in the wagon, and add a whole bunch of DT floral. Polly here got a beautiful tea set, as you can see, from a secondhand store, used a whole bunch of pink floral from the DT for Breast Cancer Month, and made a beautiful centerpiece. And you're going to see all of our centerpieces here in a few moments all together, but look how cute they all turned out. I mean, the floral from the Dollar Tree is just beautiful. My mom used a turkey kind of basket, if you will, that she got from a secondhand store. I know the teacher, her name is Tiss, she got her basket from a secondhand store. So all in all, these projects were fairly cheap, but you would never know that by looking at them. They turned out so adorable. I absolutely loved each and every one that you're going to see here in a few minutes. But for my Halloween one that I wanted to do, I picked up some ribbon from the Dollar Tree and of course more floral, because my thoughts was I was going to make a big bow and add floral to the top of the lantern. But it turned out that I really couldn't get the floral to work, so I just used one black rose on the big bow that you're going to see here in a few seconds that I made for the top of the lantern, and then I actually used all of that Halloween floral in a vase next to the lantern that I placed on the floor, which you will see at the end of this video. That's the bow I made. I think it turned out adorable using all Dollar Tree ribbon. Guys, I have to tell you, you can't beat the Dollar Tree for crafting supplies. I mean, there's some things that you need to pick up at different places, but I mean, all in all, look at these projects, and I'm telling you, almost all the floral and like ribbons and bows and things like that, they came from the Dollar Tree. These are absolutely gorgeous in my personal opinion. I think everybody did a fantastic job, and I am really loving my craft and chat. And I hope you guys are enjoying me sharing it with you. I'm looking forward to next week's project, and I'll be sharing that with you as well. Until then, guys, you take care of you. Always do what you love. Have a fantastic fall, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.